population growth of a town is described below. The population growth from 2005 to 2010 was negative 430 people. That means they lost 430 people in this time frame. The population growth from 2010 to 2015 was 175 people, which means they gained 175 people. Which statement about population growth of the town is correct? So what it's doing is it's giving us these numbers with symbols. So if we want to kind of get ahead of everything, we could say something to the effect that negative 430 is going to be less than 175. So the population growth from 2005 to 2010 is less than the population growth from 2010 to 2015 because negative 430 is less than 175 is correct. Okay, so this is true because, negative 430 has to do with that year, 175 has to do with that year. This is a correct statement. If I were to just look at these other statements, 175 is not less than negative 430. Negative 430 is not greater than positive 175. Now, this is true. 175 is greater than negative 430, but the growth from 2005 to 2010 is not more. That is the one that's wrong than the population growth from 2010 to 2015. So you can't just circle the answer and assume, oh, maybe it's D because that's a true statement. It sure is, but this part is not a true statement. It has to be completely true or not true at all.